Okay, hello lemons, welcome back. I just asked a person, like I was doing this thing, what types of people, and now I can't do it because she said no. She's like, bye. I'm like, okay, sheesh. Okay, but the next one is the hacker. So, yeah. I asked, want free VIP? I'm still waiting on it, so I'll be back. Ugh, of course she texts when I paused and went to go pause me. Okay, change your pleb. You know what I mean. You can know what I mean to A, B, C, and T. And let's see what she will say. You know this keeps on pausing. I'm getting so annoyed. Okay, she did it, and I'll say, okay, it will take 1 minute. I don't even know how to spell. Okay, so I am going to go on her account. Okay, so I'm waiting on her. Okay, I went. She said okay. Can't believe we're doing this. I'm hacking. It's a noob account, so like I think she has a main, and she's my best friend. So yeah. Close. Tester. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. So loading. Okay, she's a definite noob. Okay. So I'm gonna hack her account. Like I won't change the password or anything. I'll open her gifts. Okay, they're ugly though, probably. Oh, I got a crown. Okay. And then I'm just going to gift myself. I'm going to gift. Well, she can't get anything. So you really can't do anything. So I'll just change the password. Okay, pretend I changed the password, and then, yeah. Okay, the next one is... Okay, I'm gonna go on my account. The next one is... the nice girl. And what she does is... Okay, I couldn't do the nice girl, so, yeah. But I can do the next one that's the trendy one. So, I guess I'm trendy. Right? I'm gonna go buy a look. I'm gonna be the most trendy person in the world. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna just take off everything because I can. And yeah. But this is such a cute look. I loved it. Well, nice seeing you. Look. Okay, so okay. So I'm gonna change the colors. So I'll be back when I finish it. Okay, the trendy one, and let's see the comments that we get. Oops. I just have to know. Will you go on and on, you know? I just need to follow through. The rules you make are true. Okay. So again, my friend's gonna be in this to see what happens. So this is my look, and it's cute. Okay, well those were 3 of them. Yeah, I'm gonna just buy some animations because might be at the end in 6 hours. Yeah, I know, sad. I wanna waste my thing on it. I wanna waste my thing. I'm gonna save up my. It looks like Lucky Charms. So let's see what my friends have. No. Ow. Doesn't hurt. It just. Yeah, whatever. I don't care. It's so nice. I'm horrible at singing. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, actually, I'm gonna just stop the video here. And bye, lemons. Love you guys. Okay, see you next video.